Good evening, sir and buddies. I am Divine May Istapia, and right now I am going to talk about Earth. So Earth is a rocky planet in our solar system and the third planet from the sun and the only planet in our solar system known to have water on its surface. So Earth is the fifth largest planet in the solar system and has a diameter of about 7,900 miles. And Earth rotates on its axis once every 24 hours and orbits the sun every 365 days. And Earth's orbit is not a perfect circle, but more like an oval. So it's not perfect. And if we were going to talk about Earth's atmosphere, it is mostly made up of nitrogen and oxygen. And the Earth's atmosphere also protects us from meteoroids. And so Earth just only have one moon, which is the brightest object in the sky every night. And Earth's moon stabilizes Earth's wobble, which has made the climate less variable. And the Earth's surface is mostly made up of mountains, valleys, lakes, canyons, and plains. And we all know that Earth the Earth is covered by 70% water and 30% of land. Thank you.